Binigay ko yung 100% ko, pero wala pa rin nangyari. Yan yung comment sa isa kong video on how to increase your salary. And my reaction to that is, ano bang itsura ng 100% mo? Are we talking about number of hours spent at work? It's about the effort to make a bad system work, doing your best with what you can, 100%. Diba? Pero kasi yung 100% natin, no matter how much effort we give to it, just equals to the amount of salary that we're getting. Diba? Ngayon, kung gusto mong tumaas ang iyong sweldo, kailangang tumaas ang iyong value. And I'm not even talking about working harder. Kasi kung gusto mo ng mas mataas na compensation, hindi 100% ang hinahabol mo. Ano hinahabol mo? 110%, 120%, 200%. And I'm not talking about effort. You can work smarter, not necessarily harder. Diba? If you can do both, then that's great. Kasi ano ba ibig sabihin ng 110%? To me, 110% means you can change things, you can improve things, you can innovate, you demonstrate skills that are above what you are expected to do. That's what you need to do. Pero performance lang ang pinag-uusapan natin doon. Hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yung dalawa, no? Kasi pie yan pie. Performance, image, exposure. Maganda performance mo. Great. Image, how do your coworkers view you? Are you somebody good to work with, or are you hard to work with? Do they trust you? You can be a high performer. If people don't trust you, that diminishes your value to them. So, importante yun. And then third is exposure. Diba? Yung bang ginagawa mo, nakikita ng iba. Sometimes, it's not good to work in silence. Kailangan nakikita ng mga tao how you are making a difference in the organization. And if your company, again, fails to recognize that you contribute a lot to the organization's performance with the skills that you are enhancing, the things that you are capable of doing, ay iwan mo yung kumpanya na yan. There will be other companies who are willing to pay a premium price on what you're capable of doing. Hindi sapat yung effort lang. Kailangan talaga makita ng mga tao na you can go beyond what you are expected to do. That's how you increase your value, and that's how you leverage on that to negotiate a better compensation. I hope this helped.